and half hours. So you can go up first of the power or
From main.
main control. I will show you the breakers. Then you can open by the key like this, left side. Then open.
Lift will be
Then
upside.
I will show you the
Where is
one door rope, opening rope. So you can open this, then inside the door will open. Then you can bring the outside the person. Then I will show you. This is the for the your key. Same like this we have one door. I will show you the.
Okay, now give me torch.
This is like inside people, maybe some people are working here. He will push without key. Maybe one ignition is here. He close the door and go. One person inside.
Hello, all people. Maintenance.
Checkmate. Maybe checkmate. My first year is maybe I don't know working here.